Hello, Shayla here. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about how to use the library tab in the Libby app.
The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up Libby, which should be on your home screen since you've already downloaded the app. So we're going to tap it and it's going to open up.
So the first thing that should come up is your shelf, and that's where your holds and your loans are going to be. There isn't much that we can do here right now because we don't have anything, so let's just tap the library to get to where we can download stuff. Here we are at the New Hampshire Downloadable Book Consortium website. This is where we will be able to download our ebooks and audiobooks. This is a site that you can access through your browser too, with the web address for that is newhampshire.overdrive.com. There are a couple of things that we can do from here, but the first thing we're going to do is search for a book by tapping the top of the screen where the magnifying glass is.
We are going to search for James Patterson. And so now this is going to come up with everything by James Patterson. Most of the things that are going to come up are really popular things, and most of the really popular things you're going to have to place holds on. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you how to place a hold. So if you see right at the top of most of the entries is the place hold, we're just going to tap the place hold. And so now it says you are placing a hold on First to Die. So if you place a hold on this title, it should be about ready for you to borrow in 2 weeks. It's going to show up with that information every time you place a hold. But we're just going to tap place hold. And so now once that comes in and is available for checkout, they will send us an email and give you an option to download it. So it doesn't go on your account automatically. All right, so now that we've placed our hold, let's just go back and let's find something that's available. If we still want something by James Patterson and we want it now, we can tap Preferences and we can go to Availability and we can hit Available Now. So that way it will only bring up stuff that's available right now. So let's see, we've got Violets Are Blue by James Patterson. If we want to borrow it, we can just tap the borrow option right here, and it's going to say you're borrowing it for 14 days. On the linked card, it's going to say that we have no loans right now. We can check it out. So we just tap borrow, and there we go. So now we've borrowed it for a week. I'm going to keep browsing, and I'm going to find an audiobook that I can check out so that I can show you how to use the audiobooks as well. So down here, past the search for book options, there are these lists that have what's new, what's popular, and what's available. So what's new is going to be the newest additions to Overdrive. What's popular is going to be what's going out the most, and what's available is going to be what's available right now. So because I'm looking for an audiobook right now, I'm just going to tap Available Audiobooks under what's available. And so now these are all of the audiobooks that you can check out right this minute. So I'm going to take The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. So that is going to be the same thing to borrow it. We're just going to tap borrow, and it's going to say you're borrowing it for... Oh, also, you can change the amount of time that you can take things out. So right now it says 7 days, but let's just say I'm not gonna listen to all that in 7 days. So we're gonna hit 14 days, and we're gonna hit borrow. And okay, so now we've got that.
So there are a couple of other places to search that I can show you. If we scroll down past what's new, what's popular, and what's available, we can go down to Explore. And Explore is going to have like a whole bunch of different genres. Like if you don't have anything specific that you're looking for, and you just want, like if you just want a mystery, you see we can have all of these subjects are down here. So I'm just going to say that we want to see a mystery, so I'm going to tap Mystery. And now here's Libby's collection of mystery books. If we go back and we scroll down a little bit farther, there are digital magazines, we have more cozy mysteries, new books, new audiobooks, one-word long audiobooks, that's interesting. and just a whole bunch of different options. So I would suggest that if you're just looking for something new and interesting, you can just scroll down and see what's going on. So that's it for the library tab. I hope that this video was helpful and informational for you guys. The next one I'm going to do is we're going to go over the shelf part of Libby. So look out for that.